Hi, Mattress Mack. We're out here in Ingram, Texas on Saturday morning giving out 500 mattresses. Thanks to our friends at Temper Sealy. We're giving out 500 mattresses to the great residents of Hunt and Ingram and Kerrville, all these surrounding areas that were devastated by the horrific flooding on July 4th. And we're thrilled to meet all these people. They're great people, they're resilient, they're hopeful. And one of the main things, reason we're giving away these mattresses is because the best way I'm told to cure this tremendous stress is by sleep. And sleep is the hardest thing to do when you've gone through a once-in-a-lifetime stressful event like this horrible flooding on July 4th. So we're giving away these mattresses so people can sleep better and begin to recover from the horrible stress of the biblical flooding on July 4th. So thank God for all the people that are here. Thank God for all the great volunteers from the local area. Thank God to the Gallery Furniture team members who came out, and we're going to help people sleep better and start to recover from this tremendous trauma. We are part of Texas rebuilding here in Central Texas.
Thank you, Matt, for the mattress gift. It means so much to us. We lost everything in this flood, and it's just such a God blessing to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mattress Mack. Hey, I want to give a big shout out to Mattress Mack. He's out here donating 500 mattresses right here.